In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Payoneer to Binance. Important note up front, Payoneer doesn't directly support transfers to crypto platforms. What we're doing here is using your Payoneer card, like a regular bank card, to purchase cryptocurrency inside the Binance app. That purchase then shows up in your Binance wallet. Start by opening the Binance app on your phone and logging into your account. Make sure your app is up to date and that your identity verification is in good standing, because card purchases may require it in some regions. Once you're in, head to Wallets at the bottom right corner. This takes you to the area where you can manage balances and funding. From there, tap Buy. You'll see options for purchasing crypto directly with fiat. Next, choose your local currency. For many viewers, this might show as Buy with PHP, but select whatever matches your card's billing currency if available. Picking the right currency helps you understand the exact charge you'll see on your Payoneer statement and can reduce exchange surprises. Enter the amount you want to spend. This figure is what you'll be charged on your Payoneer card, so double check it before moving on. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Popular choices include Bitcoin or USDT. Consider what you plan to do next. Stablecoins like USDT are often used for trading or transferring value across different networks, while Bitcoin is more for holding or long-term moves. Now choose your payment method. Tap Pay With, then select Card. If your Payoneer card isn't saved yet, tap Add New Card and carefully enter the card details exactly as they appear. Ensure your card supports online and international transactions and that you have sufficient balance plus room for any fees. When you're done, tap Confirm. Follow any additional prompts to complete the transaction. You may be asked for a one-time password or additional verification for security. Review the summary screen, including any fees and the final crypto amount, and then confirm the payment to finalize the purchase. Once the payment goes through, your newly purchased cryptocurrency will appear in your Binance wallet. It may take a moment to reflect, but you can refresh your wallet to check. If you plan to move the crypto elsewhere, remember that network fees and blockchain confirmations apply. Quick recap. Open Binance, go to Wallets, tap Buy, choose your local currency, enter the amount, pick your crypto, pay with card, add your Payoneer card if needed, and confirm the purchase. That's it. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more practical fintech guides and crypto how-tos.